Hello and welcome to this Archeos Media Master tutorial. Today we are going to see how to use the new surface control with a lighting board. The surface control have 12 channels of DMX control. The first one is an effect generator. Then you have 4 parameters of effect. You can find 3 dedicated RGB control, a color blend, a color intensity, a surface blend mode and a dimmer surface intensity. The surface control is done with a surface fixture profile. The fixture name is Surface Full 1.0. This surface fixture profile can be found into Media Master documentation. In my setup here I have Media Master running on a dedicated Studio 4K server. My lighting board is a Grandeme 2. You can use any other lighting board. Now we are going to see how to use the surface control in Media Master. First of all, you just need to create surfaces as you usually do. When you are done creating your surface, you just need to enable the DMX control of it. Select the surface and scroll down bottom right of the interface, enable fixture assignment. See that each surface receives a unique fixture assignment. That's a fixture ID. You can give unique fixture ID to each surface, or you can group several surfaces to the same fixture ID. When you are done with the surface fixture ID assignment, you can just close the video mapper. Please note that when the video mapper is open, the DMX control of the surface is disabled. Now you need to patch in DMX all surfaces. Follow the same way as you are used to do in Media Master with layer control and master control. Open Preferences, go DMX. Select fixture type. Here we gonna select and enable the surface fixture. Enter the amount of surface you like to control and press OK. See that the name of each surface show next to the fixture ID. We have now patched our surface into the light board. The surface profile can be found into the library of your lighting desk. If your lighting desk don't have the fixture profile of surface control of Media Master, you can always find it into the documentation of Media Master. I can now select all my surface like any other lighting fixture. I'm gonna now show the first parameter of the surface control. This one is effect. The first effect is hue, saturation and value. From my lighting desk, I cannot change the hue, saturation and value of my surfaces, all together or independently. Let's use now the color control of surface. I have now selected all my surface and I can send a direct color to them. I can either choose a color picker from my desk or send independent RGB value. By default, as you can see, my color blending is addition. There is several modes of color blending of surface. The first one is addition. You have subtract, reverse subtract, multiply, screen, mask, replace and fill. Let's see now in detail how the fill blend color mode works. I have selected all my surface, enable fill blend color mode and I'm gonna send a color. See now that my background, which is an alpha channel from my content, is replaced or is filled with the pure color sent from my desk. The color blend mode fill can also be used to send colors directly into the surface without any content playing into your layer. See now that the surface is filled with the pure color sent from your desk. Let's use now some simple color effect generated from my desk directly. Let's see now how to control by DMX the surface blend mode. The surface blend mode control how two surfaces on top of each other will blend together. You can see now in my setup I have 4 surfaces on top of all the other one. Those surfaces are now selected in my lighting desk. I am now into the blend mode of those 4 surfaces. By default, the surfaces are in blend. I can change the blending mode in addition, subtraction, reverse subtract, and replace. Let's see now the last parameter, which is surface blend intensity. Surface blend intensity controls the intensity of output of your surface. You can see that as a dimmer, as a surface dimmer. I select now all my surface and I can just dim down the output of them. Let's see now how we can use some simple dimmer effect, dimmer chase into our surface.